get them split up and look for clues?
Sure.
No.
Alright, I'll go this way.
I'll go this way.
Brennan, you go wherever you want.
I don't like that. Yo, guys, I found a really scary hole.
Yeah, this is all blocked up back there.
Who wants to go in? I'm not going in.
I'll do it.
Same.
Fuck the Emperor.
Oh!
Jump.
Guys.
I'm scared. Take off.
Okay, hide in the corner then. You sit down and play.
Let me look at my face cam.
Nice.
Start the ship! Start the ship!
What the frick? Oh!
God damn!
Holy shit!
What the fuck was that?
What?
Something's gone blood. Oh, hi buddy.
The fuck? Oh!
Right, tree.
Yo, it's like this. Look, no. Just go on the what? You lucky bastard. Oh!
Hello?
What was in there?
Jeffrey Epstein.
Oh damn, that brings you to the golden room. Alright, I'm gonna get it. Brandon's not gonna take it.
A few moments later.
Get on it right now. Fuck you.
Oh, well, now what? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Where are you, lad?
I'm here. There's no gold room.
Well, no fucking shit.
We're back here, lad. Look. Oh! Hello? Oh! Hello?
Wait, can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello?
Are you past this door?
Yeah, I can't get out. I've been stuck behind this fucking door. I got teleported behind the security door. Go back to the ship and type M9
Alright, I got you.
into the computer. You gotta get me out of here. Please.
I got you. Gotta save Danny. I gotta save Danny. Whoa! What is that? What the fuck is that? The fuck away from me! Get away from me!
One eternity later.
You walk all the way over there. Keep going. Gotcha.
Hello?
Gotcha. Keep going. Gotcha. Yeah. Go on. Can you hear me?
Thunder.
You're some cunt.
Oh, hi, friend.
Oh, hey.
Don't worry. These guys are friendly.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Get away from me! Get away from me! Ah!
I'm friend.
Yep.
Right, you boys head down first.
See you in a bit. Okay, here we go. That's our only way out, gone. Okay, let's go. What's that?
Shut up.
Oh, Brennan! Watch out! Brennan!
I'm staying in the ship.
Oh, you're gonna be pulling us back. But you keep your walkie on you. And when we shout to you to take us out of there, you get us out of there, okay? Oh yeah, there's blue in there. Beam us up. Get us out of here.
Oh, fuck.
Quick.
Do you call me Jack?
Hello?
Jack, do you call me?
Can you hear me?
Jack, there's a monster.
Where are you? Oh, shit! Oh!
Jack, where are you?
Danny, do you read?
What up, you big hairy bitch?
Danny, retreat back to ship.
Woo! Jack? Oh, fuck you!
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Our new vehicle, boys.
Mom.
Oh, God. What the fuck just happened? Man.
You got it.